Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, everyone. It's Missy. Welcome back to our cozy English learning podcast. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today, I want to talk about something that is very important in my life. My exercise routine. Many people think exercise is difficult or boring, but for me, it is a simple habit that helps me stay healthy, happy, and energetic. I am not a professional athlete, and I do not spend hours at the gym. I simply try to move my body every day and enjoy the process. In today's episode, I will share my exercise routine, explain why I exercise, and talk about the benefits I notice in my daily life. As you listen, pay attention to the present simple tense. We use the present simple to talk about habits, routines, and things that happen regularly. Let's begin. A few years ago, I did not exercise very often. I spent most of my time studying, working, or sitting in front of a computer. After a while, I started to feel tired more easily. Sometimes my back felt stiff, and I often lacked energy during the day. One day, I decided to make a small change. I promised myself that I would exercise regularly. I did not set a big goal. Instead, I started with simple activities such as walking and stretching. Over time, exercise became a part of my daily routine. Now, I exercise because it helps both my body and my mind. It keeps me healthy, reduces stress, and gives me more energy throughout the day. Exercise also improves my mood. Whenever I feel worried or tired, a short workout helps me feel better. After exercising, I usually feel refreshed and positive. My exercise routine begins in the morning. I usually wake up around 6:30. After I drink a glass of water, I spend about 10 minutes stretching. Stretching is one of my favorite activities because it is simple and relaxing. I do not need any special equipment, and I can do it at home. First, I stretch my arms above my head. Then I stretch my shoulders, neck, and back. After that, I touch my toes and stretch my legs. These exercises are gentle, but they help my body wake up. Sometimes I play soft music while I stretch. The music helps me feel calm and focused. I take slow breaths and enjoy the quiet morning atmosphere. After stretching, I feel more awake and ready for the day. Many people skip stretching because they think it is unimportant, but I believe it makes a big difference. It improves flexibility and helps prevent stiffness. Walking is another important part of my exercise routine. I try to walk every day, even when I am busy. Sometimes I walk in the morning. Other times I walk in the evening after work. The time is not important. The important thing is that I stay active. Usually I walk for about 30 minutes. During my walks, I enjoy observing the world around me. I see people going to work, children playing, and neighbors talking to each other. I also enjoy looking at trees, flowers, and the sky. Walking gives me time to think. Sometimes I plan my day. Sometimes I think about future goals. Other times, I simply enjoy the moment. Walking is easy, but it provides many benefits. It improves heart health, strengthens muscles, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Most importantly, it is an activity that almost anyone can do. Besides walking, I also do simple workouts at home. I usually exercise at home 3 or 4 times a week. My workouts are not complicated. I prefer exercises that are easy to follow and do not require expensive equipment. For example, I do squats, lunges, and jumping jacks. Squats help strengthen my legs. Lunges improve balance and coordination. Jumping jacks increase my heart rate and make me sweat. I also do some basic exercises for my arms and stomach muscles. A typical workout lasts about 20 to 30 minutes. At first, exercising was challenging. I became tired quickly and needed frequent breaks. However, I continued practicing. Little by little, my strength improved. Now I can complete my workouts more comfortably. I still get tired sometimes, but I feel stronger than before. This experience teaches me an important lesson. Progress takes time. Small efforts can lead to big results. One thing that makes exercise more enjoyable is music. I love listening to music while I work out. Fast and energetic songs motivate me to keep moving. They help me stay focused and make the workout feel shorter. Sometimes I create special playlists for exercise. I choose songs that make me feel happy and energetic. Music changes my mood and gives me extra motivation. On days when I do not feel like exercising, music often encourages me to get started. Once I begin moving, I usually enjoy the workout. That is why I always keep my headphones nearby. Sometimes I exercise alone, but occasionally I exercise with friends. Working out with friends is fun because we encourage each other. When I feel tired, my friends motivate me to continue. When they feel tired, I encourage them as well. We sometimes go for walks together. Other times, we follow exercise videos online and complete workouts at home. Exercising with friends also makes the experience more social. We talk, laugh, and enjoy spending time together. It does not feel like a difficult task. Instead, it feels like a fun activity. I think having an exercise partner can help many people stay consistent with their fitness goals. Of course, maintaining an exercise routine is not always easy. Some days I feel tired. Some days I am busy. Occasionally, I simply do not feel motivated. When this happens, I remind myself why exercise is important. I do not try to be perfect. Instead, I focus on consistency. Even if I only have 10 or 15 minutes available, I still try to do something active. Maybe I stretch. Maybe I take a short walk. Maybe I do a quick workout. Doing a little exercise is better than doing nothing at all. I also remind myself that healthy habits develop over time. Missing one day is not a problem. The important thing is returning to the routine. This mindset helps me stay committed. Since I started exercising regularly, I have noticed many positive changes. First, I have more energy. Before, I often felt tired during the afternoon. Now, I usually stay energetic throughout the day. Second, I sleep better at night. Exercise helps my body relax, and I often fall asleep more easily. Third, I feel stronger physically. Simple activities such as carrying groceries or climbing stairs feel easier than before. Fourth, exercise improves my mood. Whenever I feel stressed or worried, physical activity helps me feel calmer and happier. Finally, exercise gives me confidence. Each time I complete a workout, I feel proud of myself. I know that I am doing something good for my health. These benefits motivate me to continue. Exercise is only one part of a healthy lifestyle. I also try to eat nutritious foods, drink enough water, and get enough sleep. I believe health is about balance. I do not follow strict rules. I simply try to make good choices most of the time. Some days are better than others, and that is okay. What matters is building healthy habits that are realistic and sustainable. For me, exercise is not about looking perfect. It is about feeling strong, healthy, and happy. That is why I continue exercising regularly. Let's review today's grammar focus. The present simple tense. We use the present simple to talk about habits, routines, and facts. Examples from today's episode. I exercise every day. I walk for 30 minutes. I stretch in the morning. Exercise improves my mood. My friends encourage me. Notice that these sentences describe actions that happen regularly. Remember, subject plus base verb. Examples. I walk. You exercise. We stretch. For he, she, and it, we usually add s or es. Examples. She walks every day. He exercises regularly. It helps me relax. The present simple is perfect for talking about daily routines and healthy habits. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning about my exercise routine. Remember, you do not need a complicated fitness plan to stay active. Small steps can make a big difference. A short walk, a few stretches, or a simple workout can help improve your health and happiness. The most important thing is consistency. Try to move your body regularly and find activities that you enjoy. Thank you for listening to this episode. I'm Missy, and I'll see you again in our next English learning adventure. Take care, stay healthy, and keep practicing your English every day.